Hello guys, welcome back once again to my channel. This is Shades of Madi. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to create this amazing food flyer. As we all know, we are in the season of celebration, which is December. So our clients will be asking for different kind of flyers. So here's an idea of what I created, just to give you that Christmas feel, just to walk around this. So, and also I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. Please do well to check out my videos. I drop free PSD files every week, so you can as well subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and download the free PSD files. You can see I have so many flyers here for you to use. Free PSD, all free. You can check it out, subscribe, and enjoy. So let's start. Let me go back to my flyer. So what I did here was to create a new page. So you can press Ctrl N on your keyboard. For the page size, I used 1080 by 1350. Create it. Now let me give you a quick breakdown of my layers. As you can see, I got this image from Pinterest. Let me Ctrl C and copy it and paste it here. Ctrl V. See, so you can remove the image. You can see it's a background image. I didn't do anything at all on the image. I just downloaded the image from Pinterest. So the next thing I did was to, these are text layers. You can see. Let me bring in the text layers too. It's a very, very simple and straightforward tutorial. You can see these are text. Let me Ctrl T. Coming. Yes, trying to paste it. Now let me give you a breakdown of how I got this text. You can see this is a single text. Burger is a single text. I used jacketing regular, size 93.78, color code yellow, FDEE00 with the color code. So I wrote the text burger using the font jacketing, and I duplicated the text. You can see it was duplicated twice to get the text. Very simple and straightforward. Then what I did next was to bring in this burger image. Ctrl V. Coming, is taking a while to load. Now for this image, I added different effects to it to make it sharpened, to make it look sharpened. You can see I use camera raw and I use Topaz Lab. Now for my own adjustment, you can decide to leave out the Topaz Lab. That one doesn't really mean. You can use the camera raw effect. If you want to know how to use camera raw, you can come to your filter here, filter, camera raw. It's loading. So for basic, you can decide to work around it. You can decide to increase the contrast, do so many things. Contrast, you can increase the highlight, different things. You can do that. You can press cancel, so I can show you what I used here. Cancel, yes, cancel all changes. So now what I did there was to make my camera settings. It's loading. I used exposure at 0.25, contrast at 41, texture at 36, clarity at 23 for my camera raw. So if you leave it like this, it's still not bad, because you just sharpen your image a little bit. Now what I did next was to come to my filter here also. These are plugins that I installed. I'll be giving a tutorial video on how to download these plugins and the links to download them in my later video. But for now, let's work only with camera raw for now. So you can see if I switch off this, you can still it's still looking sharp. Then you can come to your camera raw here. If you're not really satisfied with the outcome, you can come here to your camera raw You can decide to increase it further, something like this. You can clarity, you can come to your stone like this, contrast a little bit, then contrast here, exposure, something like this. You still get almost the same outcome. So it's very simple and straightforward. Let me Control Z, Control. So you still get the same texture feel. Now lastly, what I did here was to create a shadow. Let me you can see this is a shadow effect behind the image. What I did here was to below the image. You will create a new layer like this by clicking this. Then your foreground color must be black. You can click this to take it back to black. Then on your keyboard, press B for brush. Reduce your brush a little bit. Then you can tap like this, something like this, V. Now you can decide to use, then I want to use this. You can decide to shift to the left like this, shift like this if you want. You can see it's still giving that background, that feel. You can also Control J on your keyboard to duplicate the image and shift like this, just to have that feel. You can reduce the size, reduce the opacity, the feel, anything you want to do, just to have that background feel. So this was exactly how I got this design. It's very simple and straightforward. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thank you.